so that I can put it on Google. Okay, alright, so I'll go ahead and jot this up now. Tile looks good, but let me see.
Yeah. I mean, it was flat, so I was like,
Yeah, I'm trying to see if there's a nail or something in it that can be plugged and stay. I don't really see much. This side looks fine. You didn't hit the rim or anything? Yeah, have them check that tile at the tile shop.
Okay.
Put air in it and check it because it might still be good.
Okay.
So you can save yourself some money.
Okay. Yeah, I'll leave you a Google review too. I know that stuff helps a lot.
Yeah, I appreciate that because I'm a new company and so I'm trying to...
You were one of the first ones that came up, so that was good.
Yeah?
So yeah, everyone else's site like didn't have any information on it. Or it had like the default template that said put more information here, and I was like that. It just didn't seem like I wanted to call them, so.
Are you into websites in any way?
Yeah, I do web development.
Interesting. I'll build websites and I do SEO.
Yeah, I don't do SEO much. I just do the design, yeah.
Front end mostly?
Yeah.
So you do responsive?
Yeah.
That's nice.
Right now I do software to front end development, so we're basically like an online software company. So I basically do the integrations for that.
What company is this?
Sync Commissions Inc. over in Smyrna.
Wow.
Yeah.
And how did you get that job? Just applied?
When I was younger, I just was building websites all the time. Like I was bored, and I just learned to build sites. And then I just started doing it all the time, so it worked out.
So you do mostly a lot of front end coding, basically.
Yeah.
Wow. What, HTML5?